Number 21 on the 1990 MATHCOUNTS state sprint is what we call a work problem. We know a couple pieces of information. First, we know that two typists working together can type a paper in 5 hours. The faster typist can complete the paper in 9 hours. So, the best way, I think, to think about these is to think about how much they can get done per hour. Well, if it takes the fastest typer 9 hours to finish the whole thing, then he gets 1/9 of the job done in 9 hours, in 1 hour. And so it would take him 9 total hours. And then it says how many hours will it take for the slower typist to complete the paper alone? Well, the amount the slower typist gets is going to be 1 over x, right? So if it takes her 12 hours, then it's going to be 1/12. If it takes her 14 hours, it's going to be 1 over 14. And so if we add those together, that's how much they can get done together in 1 hour. Well, because it takes them 5 hours together, we know that equals 1/5. So this just becomes an algebraic equation, which the best way to solve this kind of equation is to multiply through by the denominators. Well, because 9 and 5 are relatively prime, we're just going to multiply the whole thing by 45x. 45 times 1/9 is just 5, and so that gets me 5x plus, well, 45x divided by x, the x's cancel, plus 45, and 45x, well, 45 divided by 5 is 9, and so we're going to end up with 9x. Solve this equation by subtracting 5x, and we get 4x equals 45, which means x equals 45 over 4, or 11 and 1/4, which is what they are asking for, because they said express the answer as a mixed number. So that's how long it takes the slower typist to type a paper, 11 and 1/4 hour. But again, the key is how much per hour plus how much per hour equals how much per hour together.